Hello and welcome back. Here's a short video to show how to use our new motor mount. So here is for the 9-volt battery, but we also have them for 6 AA batteries, as well as eventually the vellum battery pack that will be used for our Raspberry Pi Pico. And what you see here is the mount actually has these curved edges to hold the battery in. So you would simply slide the battery in and then put the cap on the bottom. So to see what this looks like separated, here's an example of the 3D printed lower chassis on the robot. And then what you would do is you would get a battery pack and just slide the battery pack into that opening. So here's the battery pack, and it would simply go in here, or it would go in here. And then once you have the battery pack slid in there, you flip it over and you would attach the back. So here we have 2 3mm panhead screws, and here is our cap, our battery cap. So you stick that on by putting it in the holes, and then you drop in the screws here, make sure it lines up with the holes, and then drop in the screws here, try to make sure it lines up with the holes, and then you simply screw it down like so. Do a little bit on each side. And there we have our new battery pack. And notice then we would put in our front and back casters as well, just like we have before.